Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick 99-cent only store haul. I just found such cute items and I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I purchased, then please keep watching. Thank you. So the first item that I'm going to show you guys, I actually already opened and added batteries. It's a light up mirror. I'm just going to add the book here so you guys won't see the background, but this is what it looks like. And it has the light bulbs around it. Look at how cute this is. This is perfect for when I'm getting ready. Like right now in California, it's starting to get dark super fast. So I don't really have a lot of lighting. I only have one lamp here. And other than that, I just rely on the lighting from the window. But this is really good for right now that it's starting to get dark super early. And this one was only $2.99. They also have it in white, which is really cute too, but I think since I'm going to be using it to do my makeup, it's going to get dirty super fast. So well actually this one my sister-in-law got it for me, but I did end up picking up the white one as well and gave it to someone as a gift because I think it's a really good gift. You can't even tell that it was only $2.99. And if my cousin is watching this video, then you just found out how much your gift cost me. I'm sorry. But I think it was such a good price, I couldn't let that pass by. The next item that I picked up were these 4 drawers. I haven't opened this one, but it's wood. This is wood. This is only $2.99, and it fits perfect with this mirror. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and what happened? I'm going to go ahead and glue this together. That way it stands up better and taller for when I am doing my makeup. I think this is really convenient. I could put eyeshadows, blushes, highlights. I could put a lot of stuff. My blender. And this is just going to be super cool and convenient for that. Here, sit down. So again, guys, only $2.99. This is really good. And my sister-in-law ended up picking one up with 3 drawers only, but I believe they're a little bit wider. So if you guys are interested in that, 99-cent only store. Then they brought these cookies back. They had these about 4 months ago, and I love these cookies. These are so good. They have them in dark chocolate and in milk chocolate, and I really like the milk chocolate ones with milk. Oh my god, it's the only way I can drink milk. I don't really like milk, but this is how I drink my milk. So every time I would go, I would get like 6 boxes, but then they eventually stopped bringing them in the store, and my sister-in-law just found them, so I ran over there and I bought a few of these boxes. So the next item that I'm gonna show you guys, well, I'm just gonna show you guys the box because my husband already took it out and took it to work. It's this cute little emoji vacuum, and it's as seen on TV. I have never seen it on TV, but it's a little tiny vacuum. It does require batteries, and I picked this up. Well, my husband picked it up. There's 4 different emojis on there, but he got the poop one because it's the only one we could find, and he actually got this for his work. He says it's working pretty good so far, so we are really happy with that. It was only $1.99. Here, Papa. This one was only $1.99. So for such a cheap price, such a cheap vacuum, it's working pretty good. So I'm actually really happy with that one. Well, my husband is. The next item is this tiny little nativity scene. Look at how cute this is. Since I'm only having a small tree, I think this is gonna be a perfect addition for that. I'm just gonna add this in the bottom, and this is just gonna look super cute with my small tree. So I was really happy to find this one. They also had a little bit bigger one, maybe like double the size for $1.99. But because I'm only having a small tree, I figured this is perfect for that. So I went ahead and got this one. So the last item that I purchased 2 of, because these are just gorgeous. Look at how beautiful these are. These are like seashells, but look at how big and beautiful these bowls are. This is perfect for the holidays. Put some mashed potatoes in there, some corn, stuffing. look at how pretty and big these are. These were $2.99, but I think they were totally worth it. These are just so detailed also. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at how pretty these are. They only had 2, so I went ahead and got both of them. I was actually really happy to find 2 because usually I like to get 2 of everything. So that's actually all for today, guys. I know it's not a lot, but I just thought these were such good finds that I wanted to share them with you guys. And if you guys are interested in any of these items, and there's a 99-cent only store around your area, I suggest you guys rush over there and get these things because they run out of them fast. When I went, they only had the mirrors in white and they only had 2. And while I was shopping, I did see a few people with them in their carts. So I know that once you find something good, you gotta grab it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys, and have a good weekend. Okay guys, so I just got to school and I realized that I had left a really good purchase in the car, and I thought I'd take some time to show you guys what that item is because it's actually a really good buy. I just now searched for this item online and it's going on sale for like $34.99, $24.99. They do have it on eBay for $9.99, but let me show you guys what it is. It's this Wonder Woman doll. Look at how pretty she is, and check out that price. I only got it for $4.99. and they are selling this for up to $43, I believe. I saw $34.99, $24.99, but look at the price that I paid for this. This one I purchased it for my goddaughter for Christmas, but now I'm kind of regretting getting only one. I might go back and see if they have more, although when I did go, they only had her. So I'm gonna go check out another 99-cent store and see if I find another one because this is such a good buy.